Hello everyone, I'm Dr. Ramya Ranjit and I'm the head of IGCSE at GEMS New Millennium School. Over the 2 days, our Year 9I Bridging Program students did have a financial literacy course sponsored by Emirates NBD and organized by KFI Global. And Dr. Pooja facilitated this session so well that the students' takeaway was fantabulous. The student did have knowledge about the credit card, debit card and how to budget things. The students, after coming back from yesterday's session, did have a sound knowledge on how to manage debt and how to differentiate between the credits and debit. And I'm sure this course has given them an insight about how to manage money and be more financially independent in the future. And thank you to Emirates NBD and KFI Global for organizing such an event for the students. Thank you.